Welcome to the Band Bar Studios channel and to day 18 of the 30-day Ignite Challenge we're having here on YouTube, where I am uploading a new workout, new video every single day in January to help you start 2025 off strong. So if you work out at home or if you like workouts when you're traveling or anything like that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss a workout. Today I have a functional core workout for you. What that means is the exercises are more transferable into your daily life. There are no crunches. All right, we're not just going to crunch for 10 minutes straight. We are going to challenge our core all around our body because it's way more than just your abs. There's no repeat, no standing, no equipment needed. Let's get right into it. Our first exercise is a alternating single leg V-up. So hands behind your head, lying down. You're gonna alternate, touch one hand to the opposite foot, come down and switch sides. So use the momentum of your hands. This is a pretty intense exercise. Try and keep your legs straight, your toes pointed. Good. Good. Now we're going to go into a dead bug. Low back pressed in the mat. Tilt your pelvis up. Knees above your hips. Hands above your shoulders. One at a time, keeping that bend in your knee. You're going to tap your heel to the ground. Super controlled movement. And super slow. So just work with that. Just keep your low back in the mat. That is the main thing here. Keeping your core on. And then one at a time, tapping that mat. Good. You're going to stay here. Grab your right arm, press it into the top of your left knee, and drive that knee up and push against it. All right, create tension here. The other leg and arm, go out and come back in. Switch sides. Push. And then come up. Push your knee up and your hand down. Push. Ooh. Good. Push. Extend. Come back up. Push. Good. All right. Next, we're going to do a candlestick. So hands below your tailbone. Legs up, and we're going to crunch up and come back down. All right, so do this as controlled as you can. Try and lift your glutes off the ground as much as you can. Ooh, one step. Good. All right, next we're gonna go flip over for a mountain climber with an external twist. So you're gonna bring one knee in, rotate to the side that your knee is on, and then back in and out. So knee up, rotate, out, and back. Knee in, twist, back. So left knee up, twisting to the left. Good. Done. Next, Superman hold. Whew. So on our stomach, we're going to lift our hands and our feet and hold. All right, using the back, our low back, and glutes to hold us up. Almost done. Good. Next, we're in a bear position. So tabletop position, but your knees are lifted 1 inch off the ground. You can either stay here holding that or walk laterally. So taking tiny steps with your hands and knees, but try and stay so that you could have a plate of food on your back and it wouldn't fall, all right? Super strong back. Knees as close to the ground as they can go. Last 3. Good. All right, next we're gonna sit down. Hands behind you. You're going to take one elbow, tap the knee, and come back down. So bring that knee up and bring that elbow down. Good. Really rotating through the torso. Good. Next, we're going to sit up straight legs, pointed toes, hands on the ground in front of you. And I want you to lift up 1 foot at a time and rest. Lift the other one up as much as you can, using your low abs and hip flexors to lift that foot. Round the spine to create that nice balance, hands on the ground. Good. After this, we're going into a plank series and then we're done. Good. Whew. All right, now we're gonna go side plank with a hip lift, optional. So feel free to just hold the side plank, or you can lower and raise your hips. Hips are stacked. If you want to drop that bottom leg for a modified version, totally fine. All right. Good. Perfect. All right, rotating to a front plank. We're gonna go from a plank to a wide plank. So walking your hands out, holding that, and coming back in. So butt down, but walking your hands out as far as they can go. If you can go more than me, that's amazing. Walk your hands out as far in front of you as they can go. Hold that for a second and then come back in. Last 5. Then we're going to that side plank on the other side. Done. All right, other side, side plank with the hip lift. Elbow right underneath your shoulder here, hips up, dipping and lifting. Last 3. And then we're going to go to a reverse lunge. So we're spinning around that circle. So hands under your shoulders, heels in the ground. Option 1 is to stay here. Level 2, add a knee drive. So pushing out through your shoulders. I don't want your shoulders to cave in. Hips up, using the entire back side of your body. Okay. Whew. Lastly, last exercise, you can do some flutter kicks. So lying back down, hands below your pelvis, looking up at your feet. We're just gonna point our toes and kick for the last 30 seconds. Lower to the ground makes it harder. You got this. Super small kicks. We only have 5 seconds left. You can do it. Then you're done. All right, amazing work. Let's sit up to cool down. We're gonna start just with some neck circles. So drawing a really big circle with your chin. Just work with your breath. Slow down your breath. Just be really comfortable here. Good. Next, you stay there. We're going to do seated cat-cows. So think of the cat-cow motion, like rounding your back for a cat. And then we're going to extend our spine, rounding it the other way. Just do that seated. Good. And lastly, we're going to do some twists. So again, seated, rotate to one side, just stretch that out, and switch to the other side. Just hold for a couple seconds, and then switch. And now I just want you to sit comfortably and breathe. Inhale for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 3, 2, 1. And exhale. 3, 2, 1. So keep doing that. Just really slow. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. That was our fast and functional core. I hope you loved it. Again, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps us out a lot. Let me know in the comments how you feel, and I will see you next time on the mat.